COVID-19 cases are once again surging in the United States. Hospitalizations are also going up, while deaths remain steady, at least for now. The current epicenter of the crisis runs along the northern U.S. and through the Midwest. In Wisconsin, an emergency field hospital has been built to handle the crush of new cases.
The number of people hospitalized with COVID-19 is at an all-time high. And not only that, that number is also growing. Many of our ICUs are strained, and every region of our state has one or more hospitals reporting current and imminent staff shortages.
The U.S. Centers for Disease Control says small family gatherings may be contributing to the spread. The country's top infectious disease specialist, Dr. Anthony Fauci, says families may need to rethink upcoming holiday plans.
That is a risk. You may have to bite the bullet and sacrifice that social gathering unless you're pretty certain that the people that you're dealing with are not infected.
On Wednesday, First Lady Melania Trump announced 14-year-old son Barron Trump had tested positive for COVID-19 shortly after she and his father did. She says they have recovered. President Trump is using his own ongoing recovery and the experience of his wife and son to argue the U.S. is moving past the crisis.
Barron is just fine now. He's tested negative, right? Because it happens. People have it and it goes. Get the kids back to school. We got to get the kids back to school.
Trump is back on the campaign trail holding rallies where few wear masks or practice social distancing. His opponent, Joe Biden, continues to bash Trump for his administration's response to the pandemic.
Folks, Donald Trump's chaotic and divisive leadership has cost us far too much. 215,000 dead from COVID-19 and rising.
Democratic vice presidential nominee Kamala Harris says she's canceling all in-person events through Sunday after a member of her flight crew and her communications director tested positive for COVID-19. The campaign says Kamala Harris herself tested negative on Wednesday and that neither she nor Joe Biden were in close contact with these two people in the 48 hours before they tested positive. Another sign that this crisis is far from over here in the United States. Jim Spellman, CGTN, Bethesda, Maryland.